So today I'm going to talk about 4 side hustles that pay $600 or more per day. These are side hustles that pretty much anyone can do, with some requiring skills that are very easy to acquire. So without further ado, let's dive in. So the first one we're going to talk about is an app called TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a platform that connects people who need help with tasks to people who can do those tasks. The platform offers a variety of tasks, with a lot of them offering to pay daily. With TaskRabbit, you can earn extra income as a handyman, a furniture assembler, a courier, a repairman, and other tasks. There are tons to check out in the platform, even if you're not handy. Be aware that TaskRabbit is not available everywhere, so make sure you check for availability. Signing up to become a tasker requires a one-time non-refundable registration fee in the amount of $25. But don't worry, because this is the only time that they'll ever charge you any fee, and they won't even take a cut of your pay. The client will be charged a TaskRabbit service fee and a trust and support fee. So all you have to do is perform the task and get paid whatever you charge for the job. For example, depending on your area, you can charge $21 to $40 per hour as a cleaner, and as a painter charge $104 to $200 per hour just to paint one bedroom. You could even wait in line at an event's ticket booth for up to $18 per hour, or even organize someone's closet for up to $30 an hour. I've performed tasks using TaskRabbit back in the day, and they have paid very well. So as long as this is available in your area, I definitely recommend it. If you're a good writer and you have a passion for it, you can make a decent income from freelance writing. While most clients will want to pay you monthly or weekly, some will offer to pay you daily. Platforms like ProBlogger and Upwork are great places to get started and get paid very well when it comes to freelance writing. However, what can make this even better is becoming a blogger. As a blogger, you can create your very own website and write your own articles on whatever niche you're in. You also have way more flexibility on how you can get paid, like affiliate marketing, ad revenue, sponsorships, and many other ways. Now, of course, this can take time to build, and this is a video about getting paid daily. So to start, become a freelance writer for someone else, while at the same time building your own blog site if you want to go that route. But freelance writing is a very good side hustle and something that you can get into if you want to get paid daily. From beginner to expert, you can charge between $15 to $85 or more per hour. So definitely something great to get into. Now, when the sanitation department comes and throws out your garbage, they do a really good job getting rid of most of your trash. Now, of course, there are many cases where they leave all this residue and all this garbage juice in your bin. So that's where someone like you can come in and offer services on cleaning trash bins. While it might not be the most glorious job, it is the most overlooked side hustle that pays daily. Households would gladly pay $10 to $30 per bin just so you could freshen them up. Now, to get started, you'll need to invest in some basic equipment like a pressure washer like the one that I saw here in Walmart, a basic cleaning solution like this one on Amazon, and even a pack of these gloves from Walmart. Using platforms like Vistaprint to create flyers and business cards are a great way to promote your services, along with posting your services like in local Facebook groups. So all in all, you're looking at about just under $300 to start this business. You can definitely make this money back in one day, because all you have to do is charge $30 per bin, and once you clean 10 bins, that's $300. Now, of course, you don't have to stop there. You can do 10 more and reach $600. You could even clean dumpsters for other businesses and charge more than what you do for households, which is between $50 to $200 per dumpster, potentially earning you more than $600 per day. Many customers want their bins cleaned once or twice a month, making this a great side hustle for recurring revenue. The final side hustle for this list that pays daily is selling online courses. Selling online courses is one of the best side hustles, with the added benefit that you can get paid immediately after each sale. So to get started, you'll need to identify your area of expertise and create a course that offers value to your target audience. So if there's anything that you're really good at and you can create a course that can teach someone to acquire that skill, this is definitely a great side hustle for you. This can be done by recording video lessons, creating worksheets, and other materials that will help the learner understand the material. Once you've created the course, you can sell it on platforms like Udemy, Kajabi, Teachable, or even your very own website. As for the earning potential, the amount depends on the size of your audience, the quality of your content, and your niche. However, on average, online course creators can expect to make $50 to $1,000 per course. This is depending on the subject and the value that you provide. Now, one great thing about selling an online course is that you only have to create it once. Once you create it, it's out there forever, and it's pretty much a set it and forget it kind of thing. You create it once, and all you worry about after that is getting paid. So there you have it, the 4 side hustles that can pay you $600 or more per day. Now, if you want me to get in depth with any of these side hustles, let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to make a separate video for it. If you enjoyed the video and found any value, please leave a like as it'll help the channel and I will truly be grateful. And if you enjoy this kind of content, subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I upload. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and I can't wait to see you on the next one. Take care.